Welcome to CyberPross Metasploit tutorial, installation. This command synchronizes the package index files from their sources, which is a necessary first step before installing new software. This command installs the metasploit-framework package and all its dependencies, with the Y flag automatically confirming the installation. This command initializes the PostgreSQL database used by Metasploit to store project data, host information, and collected evidence. This command prints the installed Metasploit framework version number, which is a quick way to verify that the installation was successful. This command starts the Metasploit console, checks the database connection status, and then immediately exits, confirming the database is properly configured. If this helped you, please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.